Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to sum in Excel, how you can total your employee working hours in Excel if they're working after night or midnight. So it is nice. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to calculate perfect times, total times in columns in X. So let's start with the video. If you new this channel, you can show if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to comments below. So here I'm on my Excel. This is my demo data, guys. Okay, so in previous video I have teach you the how to insert start time and end time in Excel. Then I have show you in the next video that how to calculate the to sell working hours here. Okay, if some employee working after night shift, or if start day if sorry in day next day, so how you can calculate the time. Okay, so this is what I have uh, show on my previous video. You can see on my in the description. Okay, so here I'm going to show you how to calculate total sum, or how to sum of total working hours. Okay, so here you have to first you have to change the formats from here to into the start time in time. So I'm going to show you here also. So here you have to click the right click format cell and go to the time, and you have to select the time here. Okay, and then okay, then here you have to check for change format, like go to format times, and you have to click on this and click OK. Then you can able to calculate working hours. Okay, here the formula which I show in my previous video. So here I'm going to show you how to calculate how to total of working hours, weekly working hours. Okay, so here just click equal sign, and then write sum, click on tab, and select all cell that you want to calculate, and just close the bracket. So here you can see the total has been come, but it is not seen like correct, because this is 11 hours, this is 8 hours, this is 9 hours, and this is 9 hours. So easily you can find out that this is not correct, because this is only show 14 hours. So here also you have to change the time format. So I'm going to change the time format. Just click the format cell. Now you have to come into the custom and click on this, or okay, you have to just keep minute and second and click on OK. 1 second. Okay guys, just click again, click the right click, go to the format cell. So here I have to go in custom. Okay, and find this icon, and this icon below you can see this format hours, minute and second. You have to delete second only, and let's keep hours and minutes, and click OK. So you can get the perfect timing hours. You can calculate the after night working hours is Excel. So that is how you can calculate some, or calculate or some hours in Excel. Thank you for